Baby, I'll follow you.
Don't worry about that. So baby, you said you're still a virgin after breaking up with your ex.
Of course, I'm still a virgin.
You're still a virgin.
Of course. The only problem is that I'm still a virgin. I don't just know why.
Wow. But see, you people don't really have sex at all.
Oh no, don't think that. We did. He even gave me good head.
Apostle will hear of this.
It's so romantic. But the problem is that he's too slow. No, it's not. You don't have time.
Continue.
30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and I cannot feel it very well. So you can even see my hands self. There's no sport. That's because I'm still a virgin. That's just it. I'm very serious.
Okay. So I'm telling you to have sex sometimes.
Just 5 minutes.
Jesus!
No, baby, don't take rubbish. No, you know I love you. Baby, wait. No, that 5 times. You just, maybe today just go to small. So that make it. I do not feel it. You know I love you.
I love you. Okay, fine. So I feel as if ready. So, but so you just say if I be like virgin. But have you ever sucked with your breast before?
No. Shit, that's irritating. No, never.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Yes.
Yes.
So I come have a funny breast.